here at going to the boulders from Barrio Sabuag. It's 7 a.m. in the morning. We just left there at around 6 a.m. and today is March 10, 2009. These are the Mount Apo expedition team, the Sandugay. And I'm Jungle Onyx and June with the guitar, Morris. This is the trail going to the crater and boulders and to the summit. Okay, nakagaw. Hinay, video gyapon. Hinay. This is my cousin, Jun. Yeah, that's my man from Mati, a Mount Expedition team, homeboy. Okay. Going up. Go, going up. Diretso na go. Okay, Jun. Ako na lang, Jun.